If your network adapter is completely missing from Device Manager in Windows 11 and you can't see your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter anywhere, Windows may have stopped detecting the network hardware. This can happen when the adapter is hidden, the hardware is not detected correctly, or the network driver is missing. And on some laptops, the Wi-Fi card can even get stuck in a bad power state. First, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. At the top, click View, then select Show Hidden Devices. Now click Action and select Scan for hardware changes. Next, expand Network Adapters and check if your network device appears. Look for an Intel, Realtek, MediaTek, Qualcomm, or Broadcom adapter. You may also see a device with Wi-Fi, wireless, or Ethernet in its name. If the adapter is still missing, expand Other Devices. Check for Network Controller, Ethernet Controller, or Unknown Device. If you see one of these, Windows may be detecting your network hardware, but doesn't have the correct driver installed, which is why it isn't appearing normally under Network Adapters. If you still can't find the adapter, shut down your computer completely. If you're using a laptop, unplug the charger. Now press and hold the physical power button for a full 60 seconds. This helps discharge the remaining power from the motherboard and can reset a Wi-Fi card that is stuck in a bad power state. After 60 seconds, reconnect the charger and turn your computer back on. Open Device Manager again, expand Network Adapters, and check if your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter is back. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.